homemade, crunchy, spicy, mind-blowing cookies. This recipe will be interesting to all those who adore this crispy, spicy delicacy, but want to save a little because it turns out cheaper than the purchased one, but no less tasty. Get the butter and eggs out of the refrigerator in advance and leave them at room temperature for a couple of hours. In a separate container, mix ground ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, allspice, cloves, soda and salt. Mix the spices and spices. Now add flour sifted through a sieve and cocoa powder to the same container. Mix all the ingredients again. Take another container, put already softened butter in it and pour powdered sugar made from brown sugar. Using a mixer, grind the ingredients. Beat an egg into the oil mixture and add liquid honey. Mix the ingredients until smooth. Put the resulting mass in a container with mixed spices and flour. Next, knead the ginger dough with your hands. As a result, the dough should be a little sticky and soft. The finished dough must be put in a plastic bag or wrapped in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. After this time, take the dough out of the refrigerator and divide it into at least 2 parts, one of which is left. The rest of the dough is put back in the refrigerator. Roll out the first piece of dough quite thinly, no more than 2 millimeters thick, with a rolling pin, on the working surface of which a sheet of parchment is placed. Cookies will be baked on it, because when transferring pieces of dough, it can deform, and this, in turn, will spoil the appearance of future cookies. With the remaining test, do the same procedure later. Now, with the help of a metal mold, you need to cut out curly cookies. The remaining dough must be put back in the refrigerator. Next, you need to very carefully transfer the ginger cookies located on a parchment sheet to a baking sheet, placing it in the oven to bake cookies. Bake them for literally 5 to 6 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees C. When the cookies are ready, take them out of the oven and put them on a flat surface. This must be done since ginger cookies harden not immediately, but gradually. At the beginning it is soft. When it cools down, it can be shifted.